Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10 lines about Ladakh. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, Ladakh is a region located in the northernmost part of India. Second line is, the Himalayan and Karakoram mountain ranges surround it. Third line is, it is a union territory of India. Fourth line is, it is often referred to as the land of high passes due to its numerous mountain passes. Fifth line is, it is known for its breathtaking landscapes and majestic mountain peaks. Sixth line is, this place is sparsely populated. Seventh line is, the main occupations of the Ladakhi people are agriculture, animal husbandry, and tourism. Eighth line is, it is renowned for its ancient monasteries. Ninth line is, its culture is therefore highly influenced by Tibetan Buddhism. Last line, that is line number 10, is its location has made it a significant military and strategic outpost.